and that is grass. It's almost green.
Would be good for NASCAR.
It absolutely would.
Well, but
every time he runs, if he wins, it's good for NASCAR because he's the most popular guy out there, and they want to get the ratings back up. I think the suggestion here, somebody I talked to who covered auto racing for a lot of years, said she believed there was a 60% chance that Junior qualified with a car not quite up to code, and people